Hi, it's Shy again. This time I'm going to talk about Bella and Peter's cage. They live in an aluminum cage that I built them. It's 120 centimeters wide and a meter tall. As you can see, they have 4 sticks to stand on. They have a swing. They have this toy. Actually, it's a dog's toy, but I put them. They like to pick on it. They have the swing circles. Here they have another plastic toy, and this wooden toy that I bought them, and a rope that I tied all around the cage. Okay, in the cage they have, of course, fresh water, and in the next dish they have pellets, exact kitty pellets. These pellets they have all the time in the cage. Shalom. Shalom means hello in Hebrew. And every day I put them something else. Sometimes I put seeds. I have here seeds. That I put them. You have also dry fruit. And here it's a good company. It's a Belgian company. And I try to put them twice a week. Pigeon food that you put in water. It's also Belgian. So I think I put them pretty good food and quality food. They still pick their feathers, but the last few days I can see they're improving. Let's see how much it will last. Bo, mami, bo. He's a nice one. Bo. Bo, Peter, bo. Nah, he doesn't want to come now. Never mind. So, this is the cage. They're on the terrace. They have a roof, so there's no direct sun. That's all for now.